I always tell people the main things to keep in mind whenever you're pulled over by a police officer is there's two things you must do. You have to correctly identify yourself, and you have to get out of the vehicle if they ask you to. After that, you don't have to do anything. If they ask you questions, you can politely refuse. You can say, look, I'm not going to speak without an attorney or whatever. But if you've been drinking, and invariably they're going to smell the alcohol in your breath, and they're going to ask you to do a field sobriety test. If you didn't drink that much, I actually tell people I'd like you to do the field sobriety test, unless you're terrible at balance or something like that, or there's some specific reason. But there is always a possibility that if you do the field sobriety test and you do decent on them, they'll let you go. The moment you say, no, I'm not going to do any field sobriety tests, you're getting arrested that night. But the other thing I'll say is, if you're intoxicated and you know you're intoxicated, you should have never turned the ignition on your vehicle and you knew you shouldn't have, then deny everything, because the field sobriety test is going to be an absolute disaster. Politely deny everything and you will get arrested that night. And at that point in time, hire a good defense lawyer and then fight it.